Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Tech Tron's channel, where we're going to tinker and learn. Today, we're going to be discussing the TP-Link AX6600 Wi-Fi gaming router, the Archer GX90. It's a tri-band gigabit wireless internet router. So without further ado, we'll get this going. But before we do, a little few house cleaning items. Be sure to like the video on your way in. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Be sure to leave a comment below if you have any experience with this router or anything relevant to discuss. And be sure to share this video with a friend. So let's get further going.
What exactly is this new Wi-Fi 6 gaming router called TP-Link AX6600? TP-Link's Archer GX90 is a powerful tri-band Wi-Fi 6 gaming router that provides impressive performance and packed with features like multi-gig connectivity, robust parental controls, network security software, and game optimization tools.
Before everything else, let's go over what I think are TP-Link AX6600 strengths, as well as the weaknesses of this brand new Wi-Fi 6 gaming router. First things first, what exactly does TP-Link AX6600 do well? Easy to install, strong throughput and signal performance, and network security and parental control software for lifetime. On the other hand, what can TP-Link AX6600 improve on? Non-movable antennas, may be pricey.
All right, so here's some of the reviews. We'll take a quick look at that. These are verified purchases. One says outperforms routers twice the price. It's an insanely good router. This is a quadruple plus router. Was good for about a month, and then a whole channel name dropped out. So take it all with a grain of salt, but most of the reviews are pretty good. And with that, we'll just go ahead and proceed. It's easy to install. Got strong throughput and signal performance. You have great network security and parental controls. And if you are interested in getting one, I do have a link conveniently located in the information section of the video below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Be sure to like the video on your way out. Be sure to leave a comment if you have any information to add. And be sure to share this video with a friend. Thanks for watching and have a great day.